We are right now in Ilam, and the hotel name is Kanchenjunga Hotel. But it's very impressive to find the Annapurna range in the eastern Nepal. We are ready to leave. It's a very nice hotel with a nice room, having attached bathroom, and also a very beautiful hall. We are having Ilam tea in Ilam. It tastes good. We have a dog in the Sherpa hotel and his name is Bhai. Bhai, eda. Bhai, eda. He is very shy right now. Yesterday he was welcoming us with Namaste. He was joining his two hands and saying Namaste. Football craze in Ilam as well.
There is an item.
We are right now in a very famous shop named Raj Hotel and Koseli Ghat. It's in Fikal Bazaar, Ilam. And I saw these chocolates, many things from here including churpi and local chocolates. Dhanyawaad to him. Dhanyawaad. I'm so happy to be in Ilam. We had light breakfast at Janka Hotel, and it's really a very beautiful hotel, and the view is amazing from here. We can find tea gardens everywhere. So my friend Chacha is searching for local tea. I'm taking this green tea and milk tea. According to her, this one is the best quality. So Dhanyawaad. Dhanyawaad tapaiलाई नि. I'm trying a Tamang local dress. It's this one, and the rate is also very affordable. It's just 100 rupees. I'm thankful to her for making me ready. Dhanyawaad.
Thank you.
And now we are going to the hilltop to get some photos and also videos. I'm allowed to wear this dress only for half an hour.
Yeah.
So the air is also suitable for paragliding. Oi, म चाहिँ आउँदैछु है इलामको चिया बगान हुँदै. We are now returning. I need to return this dress and we need to leave to other places as soon as possible.